Hey there, mommies-to-be! When you're pregnant, you're usually preoccupied with what foods to eat. It's not very often we think about proper things to drink. It's so important to stay hydrated during those 9 months. With all the fluids you lose, you don't want the water around your baby to run low. In today's video, let's discuss must-have drinks you have to have other than water during your pregnancy. Should you be having tea? What about soy milk? Wait a second, lemonade? We're talking about all of this and more. Number 1. Lemonade. Who's ever said no to a cool glass of lemonade? This refreshing drink can give you so many health benefits. Vitamin C from the lemons will strengthen your baby's bones and teeth. The fresh citrus smell of lemons can help relieve that nausea and morning sickness. This drink doubles as a mood elevator. With that nausea gone, you'll definitely feel better throughout the day. You also get calcium, magnesium, folate, vitamin B2, and B6, all of which are needed by your body during this time. It's so easy to make, you'll have it ready in no time. Add a few chopped mint leaves. It's going to help you with all that bloating, indigestion, and gas. Do you enjoy lemonade? What's your favorite summer drink you like having all year round? Sound off in the comments below and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. Milk. Milk is the first thing you want to drink for a healthy baby. It will also bring you back to your childhood. On top of the nostalgia factor, milk carries great health benefits. Not only is it loaded with calcium, but also protein, vitamin B12, and other important nutrients. Make a point to have at least one full glass every day. As you will see throughout our list, milk comes in many forms. You can choose whole fat and skimmed milk depending on your body type. Go for the whole fat milk if your weight is under control. You might feel tempted to add protein powder. Just talk to your nutritionist if you need that extra boost of calories or protein. Avoid adding heaping cups of sugar to your milk. At first, it may be difficult to get used to the plain taste of milk, but you'll eventually start loving it. Number 3. Soy milk. Here's another type of milk you'll want to consider. If you hate plain milk like me, soy milk is the next best thing. You don't need dairy just to top up on calcium and protein. Soy milk is the best alternative to dairy if you have a lactose intolerance. It will definitely relieve you of all that gas. There are just so many flavors of soy milk on the market, you won't be able to choose. Just talk to your gynecologist first. In all healthy situations, a cup of soy milk a day should be fine, but if you're undergoing hormonal treatment, you might need to avoid it. Looking for answers on all the latest health and wellness news? Hit that subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Stay up to date on all our great Bestie content. Number 4. Iced tea. I bet you weren't expecting to catch this on the list. While doctors usually tell pregnant women to stay away from caffeinated beverages, there is one you can have. When made the right way, iced tea can be harmless and a refreshing pregnancy drink. It may not give you the regular buzz you're used to, but iced tea will certainly give you an energy boost. You can have roughly 3 cups of black tea and still be within a range of safety. The reason you're asked to stay away from caffeine is because its dehydrating potential. It can also make you really irritable, as well as alter your sleeping patterns. These things are tough to deal with in regular life. If you're pregnant, the stakes are only raised. If you're thinking of having iced tea, squeeze some lemon into it. This will make it so much more refreshing. Number 5. Coconut water. This drink is not only good for pregnant women, but for everyone. That's right, coconut water is no longer a simple beach drink. I'm sure your local grocery store even has it. Now, because of the nausea, you may not be able to eat fruits and veggies. If that happens, your body will run low on minerals and vitamins. If it's summer, you may also feel dehydrated. Drinking coconut water during pregnancy rejuvenates your body. It has all the electrolytes, minerals, and water your body is begging for. Having fresh coconut water can help you have healthy bowel movements. As the baby grows in your stomach, the problem of constipation can be double. Drinking coconut water can ease a lot of the tension you may be feeling. Before we continue, check out our video on what eating coconut oil every day for a week will do to your body. Now back to our discussion on 9 drinks you must have during pregnancy. Number 6. Buttermilk. Don't be fooled by the butter in buttermilk. Buttermilk is the leftover milk you get after churning out the actual butter. It even has less fat than regular milk. It's super healthy and often ignored by most pregnant folks. It has loads of probiotics and is extremely gut-friendly. You can add salt along with a pinch of powdered sugar. You can even add some spice if you're into getting a kick. It can be the perfect cure for constipation, balancing out the amount of water and salt in your body. Buttermilk gives you lots of calcium, potassium, magnesium, lactic acid, and vitamin B12. If you're someone who constantly suffers from acidity, drink it daily and put it to rest once and for all. It can also cool your body during hot flashes. Number 7. Carrot juice. Juicing veggies is the second best thing to eating them whole. Carrot juice is highly underappreciated. Just 1 glass can give you potassium, vitamin A, C, B6, and lots of fiber. Once you start juicing carrots, you'll get hooked on them quickly. They do a lot of good for your eyes. Carrot juice is the perfect immunity booster. It also improves your digestion and keeps you away from unwanted snacking. The vitamin C and antioxidants help produce cells. This can be helpful for the growth and development of your baby. Number 8. Smoothies. Pink, green, yellow, and red smoothies are so tempting. They each pack so much nutrition. You can drink them as a meal or a snack. There's no wrong way to whip up a quick smoothie. Just put a few simple ingredients in a blender and press the button. Let me throw a couple of options at you. Pick up the milk you want. You can also do almond milk, fruit juice, or water. Don't forget the Greek yogurt that will complete your vitamin, mineral, and protein requirements. Make sure you pack your smoothie with fiber. This includes things like spinach and carrots. You're going to want some things like blueberries in there for a boost of antioxidants. Want some good fats? Scrape out 1 avocado and dump it in. This will make your drink extra creamy. Chia seeds and flax seeds can also give you extra benefits. Blend all of these ingredients together. It will make it super thick and creamy. This is the perfect pregnancy drink. Number 9. Fruit Mocktail. I hate to say this, but all those weekend parties will have to wait another few months until you're done with pregnancy. It's just not good for you to risk drinking alcohol. You may want some cool, non-alcoholic party drinks. Don't worry if there's no booze in them. You'll make them so tasty you won't even care. Instead of adding fruit juice, get some real fruit instead. These will give you the actual nutrients you need. If you're looking to add some sweetness, try adding some artificial sweeteners and sugar. Some maple syrup will even do. A few fruits that go best in non-alcoholic drinks are lemons, pomegranate, raspberries, cranberries, apples, mangoes, grapefruit, blackberries, oranges, and strawberries. Adding herbs like thyme, basil, and a splash of ginger into a tall glass can also give it some flavor. Would you like to relive your tropical holidays? Maybe add a bit of coconut milk. Just make sure you're not putting anything carbonated in there. Now that you're drinking for 2, you don't want to consume anything that will put your baby in harm's way. There are so many things you need to think about when it comes to the safety of your child. A healthy diet is essential not only to your baby, but to you as well. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more food-related videos, shall we? Watch what happens to your body when you eat cottage cheese every day for 1 week. You can also check out the unexpected health benefits of butter you must know. Go ahead, click one, or better yet watch both and learn more about the importance of diet. Which drinks did you have during your pregnancy? Let us know in the comments below.